today's video is going to be a quick video. It's just the tips and tricks. Whenever we order Mercedes filter and we have extra washers with it and we don't know where those O-ring washers gonna go, and we always discard them. But today I'm going to share with you those extra washers have a purpose and we always wonder where they go. So let me show you. So these are the new O-rings. This is the big one, this is the middle one, the third one, and this is the fourth one. And some reason they always give you extra. One big one and one small one. Don't know why. So those two washers, we were wondering where they're gonna go. That I'm going to share with you. This is the oil dipstick. If you pull it, there is one washer. Every time you change the oil, you have that extra washer. Don't discard it. Replace it with the new one. One washer goes here and the second one, and that's for your transmission. Pull it, and this one also takes a small washer. One washer goes on your transmission and the second one goes on to your oil dipstick. So now you know those two washers have some purpose. So if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you soon with another video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.